In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on ETH future while talking about Ethereum cost gauge for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to think about this and some other forecast while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Ethereum. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dive profound into the Ethereum value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that ETH is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will ETH succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Ethereum value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is ETH and its to-date history. Ethereum value forecast. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of colossal industry players into the situation, the horizon is cloudy and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and principal evaluation of each venture. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. 2022-12-01 plus 2.75% $1155 592022 1202 plus 2.76% $1155 712022 1203 plus 6.49% $1197 572022 1204 plus 7.91% $1213 542022 1205 plus 7.59% $1210 042022 1206 plus 6.67% $1199 702022 1207 plus 2.40% $1151 642022 1208 plus 6.04% $1192 512022 1209 plus 3.72% $1166 462022 1210 plus 7.39% $1,207.74 Ethereum value expectation 2022. High expansion and very hazardous full-scale circumstance thought about vigorously. Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inward crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will likely see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds likewise. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2022 deck. Plus 1.94% $1,146.40 2023 Jan. Plus 1.18% $1,137.87 2023 Feb. Plus 5.49% $1,186.40 2023 Blemish. Plus 8.43% $1,219.42 2023 April. Plus 22.28% $1,375.17 2023 May. Plus 24.10% $1,395.66 2023 June. Plus 29.71% $1,458.78 2023 July. Plus 35.12% $1,519.60 2023 Aug. Plus 32.62% $1,491.47 2023 Sep. plus 35.83% $1,527.63 2023 plus 42.46% $1,602.20 2023 plus 48.50% $1,670.08 ETH value forecast 2025. Our expectation model sees ETH coming to $8,817.11 in 2025. What will ETH be worth in 5 years? The cost of ETH in 5 years could lie around $2,555.22. Ethereum value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Ethereum will be worth in 2030? Our estimating model sees Ethereum coming to $22,042.78 in 2030. What Ethereum will be worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees Ethereum coming to $44,085.56 in 2040. Is Ethereum worth purchasing? We are backers of tolerably unsafe money management. Put the majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bin of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little tasks with tremendous potential gain. Thus, in this unique circumstance, Ethereum merits purchasing. Is Ethereum a wise venture? Ethereum is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, an unsafe venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Ethereum be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach $1,062.78. In the long haul, it could leap to $22,042.78 or much higher. For what reason will Ethereum succeed and become more expensive? Ethereum has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Ethereum ascending to $22,042.78 in 2030. For what reason will Ethereum fizzle and drop in cost? Crypto projects fall flat because of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the venture, controllers announce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more effective contenders, absence of very much planned advertising methodology, losing local area support, possible weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development action on the convention, neglecting to draw in new designers to expand on their foundation. How high will Ethereum go? Our gauging model sees Ethereum value detonating and coming to $44,085.56 in a far-off future. What is the momentary expectation for Ethereum? Ethereum will reach $1,062.78 in the following 90 days, which is a 5.5% change over the ongoing cost, which drifts around $1,124.63. Could Ethereum at any point make you a mogul? Indeed, assuming that you purchase enormous enough amount of it. Try not to hope to contribute $100 and become an Ethereum mogul. In any case, 100x value blasts are a typical sight in crypto, so a $10K interest in Ethereum could make you a tycoon. Ethereum value expectation today. What will be the cost of Ethereum tomorrow?